Hey everybody, hope everyone is well. So this video today is going to be a shorter video. I am going to be making this video into like a compilation video of the press-on sets that I have made lately. So I hope that you enjoy the video and I will be popping in and out. So this set that I made here, this one was really fun. I had a lot of fun creating this set. Although it is a simpler set with 2 gummy bears on it and some glitter, I had a lot of fun making this set. I know that you guys enjoyed seeing this set, although I did not record me creating it. And I just love the colors. I love the vibe of this set. I think it's real pretty. This set here was created just off the top of my head. I wanted something kind of just different. I love kind of like the raindrop look, so I wanted to kind of create something that inspired me kind of from that look, and that's what I came up with. So these sets here you have already seen. This is my pink flame set, which everyone was loving. I love that you guys love this set because I do love it too. I would never be able to wear nails this long. Maybe someday I'll try, but I truly love this set and I would love to see it on someone. Maybe I'll try to put it, wear it someday for you all for a video or something. The next set was a Barbie set, which you guys were loving. This set here is a cat eye set. I am loving to make magnetic kind of cat eye sets lately, along with this one. I know the darkest nail looks black, but it's not. It's really dark blue. And for some reason I've been creating shorty sets. I love to make the little shorty sets. They're not as time consuming. They're a lot of fun. This is my gummy bear set, which you guys have already seen. This set here I love. Another dark blue set with a marble on the pinky. Really beautiful. This set here, Cutie calls this set real funky. I do agree with her. I love how funky this set came out. Like I said, I was inspired by like the clear raindrop, nails. So this is the set that I created. This set here, I think someone had commented, it said it looked like octopus tentacles. Let me know if you guys get that vibe, because I don't know if I do. Do you get the octopus tentacle vibe? I mean, I guess that would be cool as well. Maybe because the colors. I feel like it's the colors, maybe. I'm not sure. But I don't know. I like the way that this set came out. It came out real unique. And that's, the sets that I like. I like to make real unique looking sets. These are the tips that I'm not using on myself, but I am using to make sets. So just in case you were wondering, what tips are you using? These are the tips that I'm using. I believe that these tips were put into this case, so I can't tell you exactly what tips they are. But I do like them because they are pliable, which means they will fit good on the cuticle. I like how strong the tip is. This is what the tip looks like. Lately though, I have been kind of stocking up on different tips, different companies, different sizes, different strengths, different shapes. I have been just kind of gazing Amazon and the internet to find different quality tips, if that makes any sense. So I'm having a lot of fun with creating sets with different tips. So I'm just showing you here kind of like the process of what I do. Sometimes I use a primer and not buff, but my favorite way to make a set and to ensure that the base coat, stays there, you don't want anything peeling. It's a mixture of, I think, applying that base coat, making sure that the colors that you're applying are very thin, and then also your prep. When you are filing, it is very, very, very important to make sure that you are buffing the entire surface and then you're not leaving any clear or shiny part. I find when I leave a clear or shiny part, that's the part where I'll get lifting. So sometimes, I've heard people say it's not about, getting the clear or shiny part off. To me it is, because the gel doesn't really like to stick to that. So if you pay attention where my fingernail is, you can see a little sliver there that I didn't really get on the side. So just make sure that you get the sides, the side walls of your nail. And if you heard my stomach rumbling, I apologize. So essentially what we're doing is we're creating scratches in the surface of the nail so that the base gel will adhere a little bit better. Therefore, you get a longer wear and you won't really get any peeling or lifting. So that's the idea, and that's why I like to buff my nails. Yes, I am making press-on sets, but I mean, if someday, God forbid, I will, I'm not able to do anything with the press-on sets that I am making, I will be able to wear them myself. So I'm going to make these press-on sets exactly like I would if I were to do my own nails, if that makes any sense. So, yeah. So I've been home for a little bit due to, some reasons, but I have been creating a lot of press-on sets, and it's been so much fun keeping my hands busy. And, I love making press out sets. And when I'm doing my own sets, I feel like it's very therapeutic. I know that a lot of you have said that my videos are therapeutic for you. And for me, that is such a blessing to hear because, I mean, even if it helps out one person to feel less stress, or that you took a couple minutes and you smiled, you enjoyed my video, maybe I said something that made you laugh, maybe I'm not talking at all, and just you know me just watching me create a set makes you feel comfort, and that I cannot tell you how great that makes me feel for you guys to comment those things. So I truly appreciate that, and I can't tell you how much comfort it brings to me to hear that it brings comfort to you to watch my videos. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I really do truly appreciate all of you always coming to watch and support. It means the world. It truly does. I don't know if you've noticed, but we are on the road to 2K. And that has been a goal of mine I have a few goals of where I want to end up on my YouTube channel. But I started off with, I remember my first couple subscribers, and I remember being so, so happy. I'm just now starting to pick up on views. I know a lot of you are not subscribed, but if you could subscribe, that'll really help me out to grow this channel so that I can give you more on this channel. I'd love for you guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure that you turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post. Therefore, you don't miss a video. You guys watching my videos truly helps my video, or not my video, but my channel grow a lot. And so that's why I'm very, very thankful for you to be spending time on my channel, coming to even, watch for a few minutes. I can't tell you how it makes me feel, but it brings me so much joy to know that someone out there, they're really enjoying what I do. And I have been on YouTube, I think about 10 years now. I believe so. I could be wrong, but I've been on YouTube for a very, very, very long time. And it's so funny because that new the jean sets that are going around, like the faded jean look, the denim jean, the denim jean nails. I cannot wait to make that set. You guys, cannot wait to make that set. It gives me such nostalgia, kind of like 90s ripped jeans vibe. I don't know. It gives me that vibe. So I am loving the sets that people are creating. I cannot wait to create one myself. But it's so funny because a lot of people think that these trends that are going around are new. Some of them might be, but they're not. Like, I was just looking at a ton of denim videos because I have been loving watching people create their denim sets. But I was watching, you know, denim sets that people were creating, like, you know, 4, 5, even more, years ago. So it's so funny how, you know, trends start to like kind of circulate again and kind of come up to the surface and go around. And I think that's so funny because, people think that it's like a new trend that's going around, and it's like, no, people have been doing that for so many years. But I just think it's cute. I think it's adorable. I think that the denim idea is the cutest thing. I don't know who came up with, that set first or second or third or whatever, but I just think the denim look is the cutest. The cutest. I think it's the cutest idea. I love it, and I cannot wait to create a denim set. So I say all that to say I'm very thankful. Truly I am. And I have goals. I have goals for my channel. I envision where I want to be. I see. I'm not really. Listen, I know that you can get paid on YouTube. I'm just going to be really real for just a minute here before I end this video. I know that YouTube, pays, and you can get paid from YouTube. I have never even put thought into that. One, because I don't think that I could get there, but hey, we should never say that. All things are possible. One, two, I just, it's hard. It's hard to grow a YouTube family. It is not easy. And, depending on what you do here on YouTube, nails is something that a lot of people do. So you need to be grabbing attention from people, and it's hard to do that when everyone's kind of doing similar things. So that's why I like to be unique. That's why I like to be different. That's why I like to create different sets that I'm not really seeing. This magnetic polish I'm super super into. I love the magnetic polish because no one set is going to be the same as someone else's, or maybe not even one of your sets, magnetic sets, are going to be similar to another magnetic set, because you could make them so different. There are so many ways to create nail art, and I just love nails so much.